Google AI first assignment done fast. The shortcut most students overlook. Your first assignment doesn't have to take hours if you use Google AI the right way. The shortcut isn't simply asking Gemini to do the entire assignment for you. It's using AI to understand the instructions, organize your work, and speed up the parts that normally take the most time. Start by uploading the assignment instructions or a photo of the worksheet. Gemini can analyze class materials and provide step-by-step guidance so you don't have to spend time figuring out what the teacher is actually asking for. Next, give Gemini the exact assignment requirements. Ask it to break the task into smaller steps and explain what you need to complete first. This is much better than simply saying, "Do my assignment," because you can immediately see what needs to be done. Here's the shortcut many students overlook. Use Gemini to create a first draft or outline, then make it your own. For an essay, ask for a structure with an introduction, main points, and conclusions. For a research task, ask it to organize the information into sections. For studying, you can turn your notes into quizzes or flashcards. If you're stuck on one question, don't ask for just the final answer. Ask Gemini to explain the concept step by step and then try the problem yourself.